Pandas Time series, find gaps in sessions, and name each session /gap with separate id. I am struggling with an obviously simple task and hope to find some help here. I have something like the following data frame. I want to identify time gaps greater than a threshold, for example 1 hour, within a session. Time gaps between sessions shall not be considered. For this purpose, I use the diff method to locate the gaps. The main task is to find a gap within a session and cut the session into pieces by renaming the parts/sessions with, for example, uid.uid4. In the example, it will lead to new session names in row 5, 6. My approach was A for iteration over the unique sessions, but I am not able to rename the parts, when I find a true in the gap column. I would like to stay in the pandas world since this is a big data task.
You can do. Modify your logics to set up column gap to group under session by using .groupb. Use groupb.comSum to get the group id, new session name, within same session, separate group id for each time gap larger than 1 hour. Use groupb.transform to generate the uid for each group, different uid for each session and separate uid for each gap within the same session. Result. Here, there are different session names session_gap_it for each session and also separate session_gap_it for each different group within a session, including row 5 6, row index 4 5.
You can use groupb, transform to identify gaps within sessions. Without a sample of your expected output, it's not clear what you are looking to achieve with creating rows where there are gaps.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.